There are leisure boats, there are tankers, there are fishing boats, there are cables, windmills. Some people are dumping something in the sea, some people are planning something new in the sea. The space is getting scarce. And many people are thinking that actually the panacea, the cure for this big issue is maritime spatial planning. Professor MichaelGilek from Southern University, you are leading BALTSPACE project. Could you tell us how this will improve maritime spatial planning in the Baltic Sea?
Okay, thank you, Andres. So last up, I hope you can bear with me. So actually, basically, our simple answer to the question is that we mean that efficient and effective maritime spatial planning in the Baltic Sea. To develop that, it's all about tackling what we call integration challenges. And such examples of such integration challenges can be seen in, for example, the Maritime Spatial Planning Directive, which states that member states in their planning shall take into account land-sea interactions, take account of environmental, economic, social aspects, involvement of stakeholders, use of best available data, and transboundary cooperation, etc. We see this as very laudable ambitions, but also very challenging. And we think that they can be classified as integration challenges. So in the project, we identify 4 key types of integration challenges that we argue in one way or another needs to be addressed in maritime spatial planning. And quickly going through these, we have first policy and sector integration, which relates to integration of environmental policy and blue growth. We have multi-scale and transboundary integration. That's different geopolitical scales across national borders. Stakeholders, we know there are different stakeholders, knowledges, etc. And integration of knowledge, because there are various types and sources of knowledge, etc. So all of these things needs to be considered. So in the project, what we aim to do is that we aim to develop recommendations on how to benefit from integration in MSP. We will do this by performing in-depth case studies of different places in the Baltic Sea, and also on a pan-Baltic level. And from these case studies, we aim to identify what enables and what perhaps barriers there are for integration. We will also develop science-based tools and approaches, both new tools, and we will adapt existing ones. And finally, we will develop guidelines on evaluation of maritime spatial planning, because basically planning is not a one-off thing. There needs to be an evaluation and a reiteration to adapt and get better. Thank you. And for more information, we have a folder outside, or you can ask me later. Thank you.